Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Plextone G20 Gaming Earphones. So in this video, let's unbox this beast and quickly compare it with G15 and let's review it on the tech show. We have also arranged a surprise giveaway at this end part of this video, so make sure to check that out. So let's start, shall we? So this is the Plextone G20 box and this is a major overhaul to the box experience. I would say it looks incredible, and generally you have different instructions in different languages as a Plextone style. Now this is surprising. It says 2 cable length, just 1200mm and 2200mm. So let's see. It says it is more comfortable with the L-shaped connector, so it's more secure. As I remember, G15 was also having the same L connector, but the cable is new here. So let's see. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and as you have normal Plextone features like the HD voice, stable cable, and the theme here is more durable, more stable. So it's bass heavy and the theme here is more durable. So let's see how does it fares. And also here's a new nice feature in the remote, which I will explain in the review. So let's start. Plextone G20, more stable, more durable. The price quoted here is 1459, which makes it 159 expensive, 159 rupees expensive than its G15. So let's see if it is worth it. So let's bring our unnecessary small scissor and cut the seal off. Cutting the seal is easy, and removing the plastic. Let's open the box, cut the seal off. Opening the box get us to the tray. Now this is a black tray, so let's remove the tray up. Let's slide this open and you have the star of the show, which is G20. And surprisingly, the accessory was behind it. So you have this surprising cable. I think this is an extension cable, but this seems really too long. You also have earbuds and cushions and pins, which is incredible. And the paperwork is behind the tray. You also get this G20, which is the star of the show with the red and black accent, and this is surprising this time around. It's a flat cable and you have a different logo here, so it's no more Plextone written this time around. It is a nice logo. Let's focus this up. Also you have a new design basically and a flat cable, which seems to be impressive. And you also have your original magnet style, which makes the Plextone G series popular. And this is a major overhaul to the remote. Surprisingly, now you have a volume rocker in the remote, and it's a slider. That's cool. And this seems durable, boxy design. Let's keep aside for the moment. And now let's review the accessories. So you get a plethora of accessories here with different sizes of ear tips. So you have ear tips, you have ear cushions, you also get pins. This is the pin, you can connect it to your shirt, and plethora of accessories. And now let's see, this is the cable, which seems pretty long. So I think they touted 2200 mm. So let's see, how does it fare? So cutting the plastic, removing the wire, and this comes with 2 wires. So probably one is this one, which is the cable, the PC connectors. So 3.5mm to 3.5mm splitter. It means one for your audio and one for your microphone, which was even present with G15, but now it is a separate cable instead. Also get another long cable, which you can keep connected at the back of your desktop. And this makes it 2200 mm from 1100 mm if I'm not wrong. So let's try to connect it. So this is the connector cable connected to the extension cable. Now extension cable connected to the earphone, which is already long. So it makes a long wire experience, which is useful to desktop users and gamers. So let's review this device on the tech show. I will use it for some time and we'll be back again. So guys, I am using this Plextone G20 for quite some time now and I'm really impressed. Now let's start the review in a different way. So this is the Plextone G15 and this is my primary earphone since last 4 months, and I typically choose over the Audio Technica. So this was my earlier one, but now from last 4 months it's Plextone G15. The benefit of the Plextone G series lineup for gaming headphones is that it's better on PC as well as on mobile. So instead of switching earphones, it's better, and the sound quality is awesome. If you watched my review, I love the sound quality of the Plextone G15. The only complaints that I was having with the G15 was the wire quality was not so good and the wire was too long, which is a benefit as well as a disadvantage, because in mobile if the wire is long it becomes a mess, but on PC it's useful. Guess what? Plextone guys listens to the audience and they change the G20 according to that. So now you have the Plextone G20 with the flat toughened cable, so it's more durable now. Second, now you have two new variable sizes, that is 1200 mm for the phone and 2200 mm for PC. So now if you have a desktop PC or a laptop, you can connect the extension wire to it, and secondly you can also connect it to your phone with a normal cable length. And I'm really impressed with this one. Basically you can just keep these connected. This is the extension cable, as you can see, so you can just keep this connected to the extension cable and you can connect it to the back of your PC or if you have a laptop. And also there is again this adapter that is separate for audio and separate for the microphone. So that's incredible. So the G series lineup is essentially known for gaming, and as expected this was great. This is even better because now they are hammering in the bass. So there's a bass and treble, they push the bass to the next limit. But as a music enthusiast, both bass and treble is equivalent to me. So let's talk about the sound quality of the G20. Now it was a really confusing deal because I'm already in G15, so this should be a bit better. So it's kind of a true. Let's see. On mobile phone, the bass is too high, which is incredible. The bass is excellent, but the treble is okay, I would say. As a music enthusiast, treble is important for me. I want to hear every tone of the music, each and every lyrics or tunes. In that case, G15 rocks because it has excellent bass and treble balanced sound. While G20 on mobile, the bass is excellent, but treble is little bit behind, so kind of tones and notes are missed. So as a music enthusiast, for sound quality, I always go with the G15. But when we move to desktop, G20 completely changes the game. Yes, my friends, G20 is incredible, hands down the best earphones for desktop, the best earphones for desktop, because it has a filter in this remote. Thanks to the product manager Kevin Jones, who explained me about this filter. So this is how it works. Your desktop PCs or your gaming PCs have a special DAC which puts more amplification and more current to your earphones. Now this G20 has a 16 ohm driver versus 32 ohms in other. So 32 ohms in other one and 16 ohms in this G20. So the less the resistance, the more the current, the more the drivers can push sound. So if you connect any other earphone to the PC, especially after 80% of volume, it will start kind of noisy sounds will come, like it will distort. There's a noisy environment there. But when you connect G20, it's a completely different story. It's crystal clear and super loud. And on desktop, the treble is also excellent. Bass and treble, very balanced, excellent sound on desktop. I just love this using desktops or laptops. So my laptop has a special DAC in it with Dolby Atmos surround sound effect. So be it gaming, be it music, it's an awesome experience and I absolutely loved it. Also this time around, because it has filter, you have volume in the button. So in G15 you was having a mute button. Now there's a mute and volume button mix, so you can lower the volume and shut the earphones off even if your desktop volume is on and full, and you can this way vary. Also it is mobile supported, so you have pause, play and skip features. So G15 is a great upgrade over G20. G20 is a great upgrade for G15, and I absolutely love it. As a music enthusiast, especially on mobile, always choose G15 if you're looking for a great music earphones. And if you want desktop compatibility, then G15 makes a lot of sense. But if you want more durable, excellent on desktop, long cable and as well as short cable, you want excellent sound and plethora of different features like the filters inbuilt, excellent sound, better cable. G20 makes a lot of sense, and it is the hands down the best earphones for desktops. Well, that's pretty much for this review video. Now let's move on to our giveaway announcement. Shall we? This video is brought to you by Plextone. And with the help of Plextone guys, we are giving away the all new Plextone G20, which is an awesome gaming earphone specially for desktops. All you have to do is just go in the link in the video description. That link will take you to the Gleam website, and you have to sign in either using your email, Facebook, or Twitter, and all you have to do is complete some tasks. These tasks includes like subscribing us on YouTube, watching our Plextone G20 and G15 review, and following us on Facebook and Twitter, and voila, you are participated. And winners will be announced on 15th of June. And you have to just look around to the community tab of YouTube page or social networks. So make sure you follow up there, and the winners will be announced on 15th June. Do note that this is a national giveaway, so you need to be a resident of India in order to be participate. And we will ship this G20 to one of our lucky winners in India, absolutely at no cost. So well, what you're waiting for? Let's go quickly and participate and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.